So if you, with your energizer bunny ways, goes near any one of the suspects without my explicit instructions, you will answer to me.
Funny, you should have said suspect. When you are one of them.
So you knew about your wife setting up plans for trailing him?
I have my suspicions. No facts. You know how I work.
How do you work? Really, how do you work? I don't understand. Is this woman your Achilles heel? Is she your weakness?
You know how I work. Effectively. As to weakness? I don't think so.
I tell you this. Deal with her, or I will.
What the hell is this? Mutiny on the bounty?
So, Madame Sinclair called about the projector asking to be fixed. Amanda will be here tomorrow about the debriefing. And then finish with the log so you can take a look at these. So you can take a look at these. You're in front of the door.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, thank you. Excuse me?
Are you sure you're okay? I mean, you're acting weird, as if I would hurt you.
Dr. Grant, I'm late for an appointment. Could you excuse me, please?
Can you just show me one more thing on the computer? I was checking on my laptop, but I wasn't finding it, and I'm not sure if it's in the logbook. Yeah, so just 5 more minutes.
I'm sure I sent you that information.
All right, Celine, let me not keep you.
Thank you, I'm late. Have a great day.
Have a great day too. I wonder what you could be late for. I need to find out exactly who you are, Madam Secretary. Okay. Celine Cunningham. None of these persons are you, Celine. Let me try another spelling. Let's put an S instead of the C. There you are. There you are. Celine Cunningham. Date of birth, 3rd of the 9th, 1994. You attended Montgomery Primary School, Almond High School. Yui, where you majored in political science and social outreach. Oh, you have 3 degrees in black belt and represented Jamaica in Taekwondo all of 3 times. Interesting. So, Miss Celine, you're an average citizen after all. Still don't trust you. And I'm gonna keep digging. Because one thing I know, something's gonna come up.